channel and welcome back to the fourth day of this vlogmas. So today we will be cooking some rice. Do you remember the other day I told you I like to put like a lot of lemon juice into my rice? So this is what I will be showing you today. So I will take like this kind of size pot and I'll put some water in it. And I'll let that boil for a few minutes. I will take my cat out in a leash in the garden because she's screaming right now and she wants to go out, and I have no other option than to do that. Okay, so since I am outside, I will show you my greenhouse. It's actually my mother's. My mom is into gardening and stuff. Here it's so warm. Like literally, no kidding, really warm, and look how the plants are preserved. Oh, what do we have here? I mean, she told me she wants to see if the vegetables are having any progress. I have no idea what she planted here. I do know here she put some tomatoes, but nothing came out.
So yeah. Yeah, so
I have to get out from here. I mean, it's getting creepy. So I'm finally now in the house, and now let's go back to my rice. So I will put that maybe to a medium heat. Fifi wants to cook with me, does she? Hmm? Okay, so my rice is almost ready, and for some flavor, I'll add some olive oil in it. To make it even tastier, I'll add some pepper as well. And into my tomato salad, I'll add some olive oil, vinegar, and pepper. So here I have my lemons. And usually for a plate like this, with this amount of rice, I will be using like a whole lemon. So this is my food for today. It's nothing special, I know, but I really like this combination, you know, rice with some olive oil and lots of lemon juice, and then aside I have some just simple tomato salad with cheese and vinegar, and as well pepper and olive oil. I just really love this combination. So I will go and eat, and then I will be back with some more advent calendar. It is advent calendar opening time. So we are now on the fourth day. That means we are opening the fourth door. And as always, I will start with Essie advent calendar. And I do hope I get something good and not as yesterday, because yesterday it was like a big disappointment. Big disaster. And we are going for the fourth door, and that will be down here. Ooh, and this is something nice. It's a pink nail polish. Now that I like, and that we can try on at the end of this video. That it's so nice. I'm very happy. Well done, Essie. So now we move on to Maybelline advent calendar. Number 4 will be here. So let's see what we have. I think it's a nail polish. Ooh, yes. So that means that I will be making like alternatives. You know, on one finger I will use the pink color, and on the other one the sparkly one. That is so beautiful. Just look.
That wasn't expected. Oh my god. Okay.
So no, like honestly, this is like my favorite combination. This is so perfect, and this one is also like a pink color. I will show you, although as I said, I will be trying them, but I just want to show you. So this is a very nice color indeed. So this one is beautiful. So okay, and now I will move to the last advent calendar. Here as well, number 4. That will be here. And again, we had some biscuits. And here we have this one. It's turkey for German. Then we have duck and wild. I don't know, maybe. I think they mean something like I don't know. I don't know what they mean with wild. But anyways, my kitties are going to be like very happy to try that out. Okay, so I'm literally I'm very happy with what I've got today on my both beauty advent calendars. 2 beautiful, 2 brilliant nail polishes in colors that I really like and I can definitely use. So stick till the end of this video to see this combination on my nails. And as always, on your way out, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing choirs of angels,